Hey, Woody.
Hi, Neil. Is this your new car?
Yep.
Where did you get it?
From the Smart Factory.
Smart Factory?
Come on. Let me show you something. Using big data and AI, Smart Factory practically manages itself.
It's self-driving?
Exactly. Anything you want. All the parts you need, even raw materials, are allocated automatically.
Incredible!
Yeah. Check this out. I can design the style and configure the components the way that I want. My car will be unique. Then, just let Ocean Store Dorado do the rest. Easy.
I want to see my friend. Can we make a trip?
Are you serious? Like that?
Amazing!
Every millisecond, we send trillions of data and requests to where they are destined to be. We've witnessed industrial revolution. Now we're building an even better future. Huawei all-flash data center solution with Ocean Store Dorado inside boosts intelligent manufacturing transformation. Keep smarter and stay innovative.